Hello guys, today we are interviewing Jim Wilders about his emergency power system. Hello Jim, what is this for?
When the power goes out, I can connect the appliances in my house to emergency power through my car. I'm going to show you how that works. First, I'm going to lift the hood up so I can connect the battery cable. Now I take the battery cables, positive and negative to negative. Here's my positive, and here's my negative. And that is now connected through the cables to the inverter. I then have a cable that goes into the house, 120 volts, but it's a heavy cable. I plug it into the inverter and then turn it on, and I'm good to go. Now, for some of you Canadians who don't keep your cars in the garage, you may want to have your car outside, and we're going to show you how you can do that.